Well, they aren't really available for sale because they're so custom built and there are a lot of man hours that go into construction. But the cost of the actual materials to build them is well under $500. The lift envelope is really tight in front of the building.
Okay.
We'll come right up here. Usually the reaction you see is really amongst the little kids with the Superman and Iron Man. They're just coming up and just barraging you like a machine gun with questions because they're so interested in. That's actually why I created them, was to inspire the next generation to get into the hobby.